For the next step, we're going to want to head over to Zapier and create the start of our Zap, which takes the info out of Airtable and then passes it into Shopify. So head over to Zapier to get things started, press make a Zap, and in here we're going to want to look for Airtable to start and select new record. Make sure your Airtable is connected. If you don't already have it up here, connect an account. Then we're going to want to get your API key. Your API key can be found if you visit your account page. If you click the link just displayed there, if you're logged in, you should be able to see it here, and then copy this key, go back to the pop-up, place that in there, press yes, continue, back to Zapier, and you should see it connected. Let's press that. Test it. If it goes green, we're good to go. Press save and continue. And then now we're going to want to select the base that we created previously, which is here, and the appropriate table, which is here. So table 1 in base tutorial MakerPad Airtable to Shopify. It's going to be right at the bottom usually. There you go. Table 1. Press continue. Okay, now hopefully we should have some data in here because we've input some dummy data previously. Great. Record A shows that we have a product, the product title, vendor, description, tags, price, and a thumbnail also. An image, sorry. Perfect. Once you have that, click continue. If you don't have that, make sure your connections are all set up right. But if you are here, now we are done with this step, and we'll move on to the next one, which is going to be to connect your Shopify store to this Zap and then map the data across appropriately